In this video, we're going to explore copying and pasting from other applications into Excel. We're all familiar with copying and pasting in Excel, where we have the ability to paste only formats or only values. But what if we have a situation where we are pasting from Word or PowerPoint, but we don't want all the formatting that comes along with that text from those different documents? And the method that we're going to use to control the pasting is actually something that we've already become familiar with in Excel. For example, when copying and pasting information in Excel, you'll notice that in the bottom right hand corner, the Control Smart tag appears. We can click on it with our mouse or simply hit the Control key on your keyboard. And we recognize this as all of the different paste special options. So for example, if I want to paste only the formats, or if I want to paste only the values, we can do it using the Control Smart tag. And we're going to use the same method of controlling pasting from other applications into Excel. So for example, pasting either text or pictures from things like Word, Access, or PowerPoint, we'll notice that we can use the Control Smart tag as well. I'm going to open PowerPoint, and let's go and copy and paste this text. Control C to copy, Alt Tab to move back to Excel, then press Control V for paste. As you'll notice, it is pasted with the formatting from the PowerPoint document. If I press the Control key, I have two options. The first is to keep the source formatting, and you'll notice a shortcut of the letter K, or we can use the keyboard shortcut of M to match the destination formatting. So as you can see, pressing the Control button and either K or M allows us to very easily control how text is pasted from another application into Excel. And it goes the same for pictures. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Once again, hit the Control key, and you have three different options: using the destination theme, keeping the source formatting, or to paste simply as a picture. What about when we are pasting information from the internet? I have this URL open in my browser, and if I want to copy and paste some information, for example, from this table, I'm going to press Control C to copy, move back to Excel, press Control V to paste. If I use the Control Smart tag, I have an option of simply keeping the source formatting or matching the destination formatting. But what's interesting is an additional option called Refreshable Web Query. And if you press this option, it'll launch a dialog box that enables you to pull information from a website. And we'll see this in a future topic. And then finally, what if you want to paste information from a PDF document? We have a PDF available in this link, which I have open at the moment. If I wanted to copy and paste a bit of information from this table and move back to Excel and press paste, you'll notice that we don't get the desired result. All of this information is pasted in a single column when we can clearly see that it should be two separate columns. By pressing the Control Smart tag, you can choose to keep the text or to use the text import wizard. And again, we will see how to use this in a future video. And simply clicking this option launches the text import wizard, which you can now go through to clean up your data. We will have a look at how to use this in a future video. But while we're on the topic of copying and pasting from a PDF, you might like this small trick. Instead of using your mouse to click and drag, try and make your selections by holding down the Alt key and then clicking and dragging. You'll notice that you are then able to select vertical selections, press copy and paste, and then do the same for the column next door, pasting right next door. And as you can see, we now have the information in Excel available for some kind of analysis. But as you can see, the Control Smart tag has all of these different options that we might be able to use, whether it be copying and pasting from a PDF, from the web, from Access, Word, or PowerPoint, or even within Excel itself. You can simply hit the Control key and choose from one of the very many options available for pasting. So next time you're copying and pasting from one of these other applications, think about how you can use the Control Smart tag to get the desired result first time around. We'll see you in the next video.